In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to get a loan on Opay app. So if you are a new user to Opay, you might be finding it difficult to actually borrow or get a loan of high amount until you started using the app for some period of time before you have access to borrow a large amount of money inside Opay. So if I navigate through my own Opay app right here, you can actually see that I can borrow up to ₦1 million from their platform that they actually partner with. So how to go about it? Just open your Opay app. Whether you are using an Android device or an iPhone, you can still follow the same process. So all you just need to do is just click on finance down below. Then you're gonna see the page just like this. So the next thing you're gonna do, just click on loan at the top right. So once you click on loan, it's gonna take you straight down to this page, and you can see Ace Money. You can see I can borrow up to ₦1 million. So all I just have to do is just click on apply loan. And don't forget, this Ace Money is actually powered by Blue Ridge Microfinance Bank. It's not like maybe Opay itself is actually giving out a loan to their customers, but they actually partner with people with this company because they believe like people are actually interested in borrowing money. So they now make it more easier for people who are interested in borrowing money through the Opay app. And of course, before they when you actually want to get a loan, they're gonna send the money directly to your Opay account if you are eligible to borrow the money at the end of the day. And then how they can also charge you or to pay back the money is it will be between your Opay account. So you have to deposit money inside your Opay account, and then they're gonna deduct the money when the payback due date reach. So they make it more easier for everyone who is actually interested in borrowing money through Opay. So you can use Ease Money and you can use Okash. So your own might be Okash, is still the same thing, still powered by the same company. And if you go on Google Play Store, you're gonna see that Okash is available on Google Play Store or Apple App Store, and Ace Money is also available on Google Play Store or Apple App Store. So you can follow the same method, and then I believe at the end of the day you'll be able to borrow money from any of this platform.